Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen using Wondershare Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application on my PC and I'm going to show you guys how we can use this application to record our PC screen. So there are two methods we can try to record our screen. The first one, you just need to go to the Filmora feature right here. And then you need to find screen recorder. If you can't find the screen recorder here, you can click on these three dots and then you're going to scroll down until you find screen recorder, this one, and you just need to tap on that to record your screen. And then the second method, you can create new project first and select new project right here, and then you can click on record, then select record PC screen. Okay, and don't forget to activate your microphone, and you will be able to activate your camera as well if you want to record yourself, but I'm just gonna make my camera off. And then before you start the recording, you can go to the setting to select the recording location. Okay, you can choose where you want to save the recorded video, and here I have selected my download folder to save my recorded video. Okay, you can change it right here and then click on this icon or this button to start the recording. Okay, then you can press F9 to stop the recording. And okay, now my screen is being recorded. I'm just going to go back to my Filmora and then I'm going to stop the recording. We can press F9. Okay, now it's done. And I'm going to click on the X button. And this is the result, guys. You'll be able to add the recorded video to your project on Filmora or to your timeline. Okay, and this is the result. And okay, now my screen is being recorded. And if you want to find the video, just go to the File Explorer. And since I have set a download to save my recorded video, the recorded video will be saved right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record screen using Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!